Understanding Aptitude Testing, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the concept of aptitude testing. This is a term you might come across in educational or professional settings, and it's important to understand what it means and why it's used. So, let's dive in and demystify this topic. Aptitude testing refers to a type of assessment designed to measure a person's ability to perform certain tasks or to learn certain skills. These tests don't focus on what you already know. Instead, they aim to predict your potential to learn or succeed in a specific area. Think of it like a way to measure your natural talents or inclinations in various fields, such as language skills, logical reasoning, or even mechanical skills. There are several types of aptitude tests, each targeting different abilities. Verbal reasoning tests. These assess your understanding and processing of written information, crucial for language learners. Numerical reasoning tests. Focus on your ability to handle numbers, important in fields like finance and engineering. Abstract reasoning tests. These look at your ability to understand complex concepts and think outside the box, often used in creative and technical fields. Aptitude tests are widely used for a variety of purposes. Educational assessment. Schools and universities may use these tests to place students in appropriate courses or programs. Career guidance. Aptitude tests can help individuals understand their strengths and weaknesses, guiding their career choices. Employment screening. Many companies use aptitude tests to select candidates best suited for specific roles. If you're preparing for an aptitude test, remember, practice makes perfect. Familiarize yourself with the format and types of questions. Understand your strengths and weaknesses. Focus on areas where you need improvement. Stay relaxed and confident. Your natural abilities will shine through best when you're calm and composed. We hope this video has shed light on what aptitude testing is all about and why it's important. Remember, these tests are tools to help you understand your potential and guide you towards paths where you can excel. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll be ready to tackle any aptitude test that comes your way. Until next time, happy learning!